2, 3. All right. Well, here we go. Finally, everything's all set. I was watching a video that I took the other day, 75 degrees the other day, 45 today. Unbelievable. 2 days ago, it was 75 degrees here in November in New Hampshire. Anyway, so I was listening to the video, and I noticed that I couldn't really hear the sound of the exhaust anywhere except at idle. We got the rain clouds over here, blue skies over there, so guess which way we're heading. There you go. Yeah, so anyway, when I'm doing video on the Goldwing, you can't hear the engine really anyway, not much, or the exhaust, so it's kind of not really a part of the video. Kind of the same thing on the Voyager, although you do get that high-pitched inline 4-cylinder whine, which is, you know, I enjoy that. I enjoy that sound in the videos. But again, it's not really that much a part of the video. Yeah, but I don't know, for me, it's like, I don't know, the exhaust note of a big V twin has kind of a personality, and it should be part of a video. So when it's drowned out by wind noise, I feel like I have to try a different setup. So right now I'm running down to the gas station to fill this thing up for the winter. I don't know if I'll be taking it out. They're predicting snow next week. So I'm going to gas this up, and I figured I'd try a different audio setup, a recording setup. Maybe see what it sounds like when I get back. Just an experiment. You know what? I figured I was just going down to the gas station, so I'm wearing sneakers without any socks, a pair of jeans, a t-shirt under my riding jacket, no gloves, and I'm freezing my butt off. Boy, this was not very brainy, let me tell you. Yeah, I really hope I can catch some of that exhaust sound. Kind of the whole point of riding a V-twin. And you know, the funny thing is, I can almost hear it, but not quite. This is just a really windy bike. You know, not a lot of wind protection. So I hear wind on this thing that I don't hear on either of my other two bikes at all. The other thing about this bike, it's got a lot of mounting points for cameras and whatnot. You know, it's got a lot of metal stuff that you can expose, that you can mount stuff to, the engine guards and all kinds of stuff on this bike where you can mount the camera. But the thing is, it vibrates, so you got to have something with good electronic image stabilization. And I noticed that the Get To does a pretty good job on the front there. I watched some of that video the other day. Let me put these sleeves tight. Man, I got freaking cold air coming right up my sleeves. I have to wait until I get to the gas station. It's not that far. I don't have that many miles on this tank of gas. I just want to top it off for the winter months. So like I said, they're talking about snow on Wednesday, and the thing about my street is, oh geez, that squeak. Should have greased the back of those pads. All right, here we go. Did I hope I got my camera running. I think I do. No, we'll see when I get home. I can't remember if I shut it off when I got here. I was doing a U-turn at a gas station once, and I ran over one of those metal covers that are up, and it knocked me right off the bike. Turned the bike right over. I just wasn't ready for it. I didn't see it. It was this bike too, up until New Hampshire. Just caught me right when I went right over. Definitely nicer not having that wind go up my sleeves. Man, I can't believe I just did this spur of the moment, and I'm so ill prepared gear-wise. It's cold. 45 degrees with going along at 45 miles an hour. It's cold. I'm going to order tires for this. No telling what's going to happen next spring in terms of the supply chain. So just order them now and have them put on in the spring. I can't believe I didn't put gloves on. You know, I didn't wear gloves one day coming back from Arizona this past August, and it was 105 degrees in Oklahoma, and I really kind of think I did damage to my knuckles, my joints. I never had sore joints before, but I got off my bike and it looked like my knuckles were burnt. And I've had they've been sore ever since. And here I am riding without gloves. What an idiot. got holes in it. Sharon was saying the other day when we were in the car that she's surprised nobody has come by. Jeepers creepers, come by and filled up some of these holes. Kind of late in the season, I think. No, I survived. That's pretty much it. All filled up for the winter, just in case. And I hope this audio setup works. Guess they won't be using their pool anymore. It's a winter car. All right. These roots grow out of my driveway. Always make me nervous coming in. See? Man. All right. Go. That's it.